BTC struggles to break above $27,500 resistance. Downward trendline remains a challenge in the Bitcoin price prediction. The main cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, is having trouble breaking through the major resistance mark of $27,500. The ongoing downward trendline has prevented Bitcoin from moving higher despite recent bullish enthusiasm. As traders eagerly watch Bitcoin's performance in anticipation of a major breakthrough or probable regression, the market sentiment is still cautious. The capacity of Bitcoin to overcome these challenges and forge a new course will probably have an impact on the upcoming price changes. Tether diversifies its reserves by allocating millions to Bitcoin. The company Tether, which is responsible for USDT, the largest stablecoin by market capitalization, declared on Wednesday that it intended to buy Bitcoin as part of its reserve backing strategy. Tether joins the ranks of other notable organizations by adding the most popular cryptocurrency to its balance sheet, diversifying its assets. Tether will soon buy Bitcoin with the main goal of diversifying its reserve assets, which underpin the USDT currency. By employing this tactic, the business will continue to peg USDT at a 1-to-1 ratio to the US currency. Tether intends to spend about $222 million, or 15% of its net profit, on this acquisition. According to Paolo Ardoino, CTO of Tether, the choice to invest in Bitcoin was made after taking into account its strength and potential as an investment. The revelation that Tether had purchased a sizable amount of Bitcoin to support its USDT has helped Bitcoin and contributed to its upward trend on Thursday. Following a high-profile murder case, Korean politicians unite in support of crypto regulations. A Korean lady was kidnapped on March 29 and later killed in a quarrel that was reportedly tied to cryptocurrency losses, according to a May 18 Bloomberg article. This episode is the latest in a string of scandals involving digital assets, which also include the May 2017 collapse of Do Kwon's Terra Money ecosystem. The recent murder case, which may be approved by Parliament later this month, has reportedly increased pressure on the Korean government to swiftly establish the nation's first independent cryptocurrency law. The proposed law would impose harsher rules on reserve funds, account upkeep, and the demand that enterprises dealing in digital assets get insurance to defend against attacks. While government-designated securities would continue to be supervised by current capital markets regulations, these rules would apply to digital currencies like Bitcoin. The price of Bitcoin has fallen as a result of the announcement of this horrific murder case involving digital assets. Pakistan's finance minister. It's unlikely that cryptocurrencies will gain acceptance. According to Aisha Ghaus Pasha, the Minister of State for Finance and Revenue, Pakistan would implement a ban on cryptocurrency services according to FATF and has no plans to legalize cryptocurrency trading. The Financial Action Task Force, FATF, which had previously put Pakistan on its grey list due to insufficient anti-money laundering and counter-terrorist financing efforts, has mandated this choice. One of the requirements set forth by FATF for Pakistan's removal off the list was the prohibition of cryptocurrency. The legislation enacting this restriction was written in conjunction with the Ministry of Information and Technology and the State Bank of Pakistan, SBP. The Pakistani government's strict stance on cryptocurrencies has put additional pressure on the market and capped increases for the biggest cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin cost. The price of Bitcoin has increased by less than 1% to $27,290 as of today. BTC is currently hanging around $27,000 and is having trouble regaining its $30,000 level from the previous month. The $27,500 level is currently acting as a big obstacle for Bitcoin and forming a double top pattern for BTC. Bitcoin might go for the next resistance levels around $27,700 or $28,000 if it can break over the $27,500 mark on several periods. BTC may possibly rise above $28,000 if there is continued demand, with the next obstacle likely to be located around $28,300. As evidenced by the double top pattern, downtrend line, construction of a bearish timer, and spinning top candlesticks below this level, Bitcoin is presently unable to reach the $27,500 mark. These factors point to a likely reversal in Bitcoin's rising trend, with a possible decline to $27,000 and $26,800. As a result, it's critical to keep an eye on the $27,500 mark because it serves as a key turning point for Bitcoin's performance right now.